It may only have been a few weeks since I last saw you, but I have aged significantly. Today it's all about fools talking shit on the internet and talking shit about Toyotas. Today I'm going to sort them out once and for all, and you're coming with me. It has come to my attention that there's punks on the internet who have been bagging out Toyotas. Toyota Camrys specifically, like my one. Let me show you my Toyota Camry. This here is known as a turbocharger. It increases the efficiency of your internal combustion engine by using the exhaust gas, which would otherwise be wasted, spinning a turbine, which is connected via a shaft to an impeller, a compressor, which compresses the air, sends it through a front mount intercooler, which ensures the cold density of the air. We add fuel to that mixture, we ignite that mixture, and before you know it, chopping left, right and centre. And that's what I'm going to do because I'm sick of people ragging on Toyotas on the World Wide Web. I was surfing the World Wide Web the other day and there were punks on there saying that their Honda Civics would beat my Toyota Camry at a racetrack. To which I say, it's not happening. I'm going to show you, but before I show you, I need to do some mods to my Camry. Why? Because Camrys are one of the best vehicles ever invented. Let me tell you a little bit why. Now, aside from the variable valve timing, variable cam control that my 2AZ FE engine has, I want to point out a few other features of Toyota Camrys and why they are the most superior vehicle that has ever been made. Firstly, the gold paint. Gold is safe, gold is classy, gold means that you have succeeded in life. The other thing I'll point you to is the front-wheel drive drivetrain. This means that your steering and your power both come from the same place. That means agility, it means stability, it means weight over the front wheels where the drive is going, not over the rear wheels where there's no weight and all your power just gets puffed up in smoke. No, not the Camry. The Camry's all about front-wheel drive. Let me show you the inside. Oh, feel that door handle and that action. Oh. The inside of the Toyota Camry is a particularly classy place to be. It's got velour interior, it is sizeable and spacious, meaning you can fit your entire family or half the bingo team in here, no problem whatsoever. We've also added this lovely wood bead situation here. Keeps the sweat from being absorbed by the seat is what it actually does, and keeps the sweat in your clothes where it belongs. I also have an automatic transmission, because why change gears if you don't have to? Let the smarts, let the machine do it for you. It's also got a handbrake, it's got a comfortable steering wheel. The entire interior is grey, and grey is the right colour for all interiors, and you cannot change my mind. The boot of the Camry, otherwise known as the trunk in other areas of the world, is spacious. It is enormous. It is hundreds and hundreds of litres of space. My boot, as you can see, needs to be tidied a little bit. I've got some doilies, got some leftovers, and importantly, I have a jerry can. This jerry can contains a liquid known as E85. That's 85% ethanol. Ethanol is an alcohol-based fuel. It has more power potential if you can use a turbo to take advantage of it. That's right, it will not detonate. You can add more boost and more boost and more boost, and the ethanol is going to love it sick. Anyway, enough of that bullshit. Let's talk about safety. Excuse me. Safety is paramount on Toyota Camrys. They are known for their reliability and their safety. Underneath these steel wheels, steel is a superior material to magnesium and aluminium because it is steel, it is strong, it is durable. Importantly, braking is what it's all about, people. Braking is very, very important, and today I am going to be upgrading the brakes on this Toyota Camry so it's track ready. The only thing that's holding me back is what's holding me back, and that's my freaking brakes. So I'm going to be upgrading them so I am track ready. I'm not normally one to waste things because these have plenty of years of serviceable life driving down to the RSL to the bingo hall to play some bingo. But inappropriate for when fools on the World Wide Web call you out and constantly degrade Camry owners. We need to show them, and to do that we need brakes that will stop us. It's one thing to replace your brake hardware, but it's also important to replace your fluids. If you do nothing else, change your brake fluid. Otherwise, it's going to boil, and not in a good way, like the boiled lollies you can get. Here you go, look at this. Now I'm going to get all the old fluid out. Now that's not supposed to be dog shit brown. That's supposed to be clear or green or whatever colour that manufacturer decides to put in. It should most certainly not be brown. All right, there you have it, people. Brakes have been bled. Nice and clean fluid in there. You probably saw the colour of what came out. Absolute filth. Not anymore. It's clean, just like what we put in. Perfect. Don't use your hand or you'll end up with arthritis like me. Use your foot. Now I've come down here to Sydney Motorsport Park. Apparently that's where the young people go to test out their cars and the performance. And I have brought the Toyota Camry, the ultimate vehicle, as you'll soon find out. I'll put a couple of cameras on the car. I'm going to capture it and I'm going to show you people what it's made of.
What they want to do in enclosed shoes, you should have been all told that by now as well. So the three groups,
I'm going to go find some of these people that have been posting stuff on the World Wide Web about Camrys. Face to face, mano a mano, find out what they're talking about and what this rubbish online. I'm going to go and sort it out. Oh, the hemorrhoids are playing up today in a big way. Toyota. I want to congratulate you on your excellent choice of mark.
Oh, lovely.
Because that is a Toyota, even though I know it's actually a Subaru.
The best of both worlds.
You have chosen very well, my friend. What about this one?
Oh, that's a Toyota.
I want to congratulate you on choosing the best brand of any automobile in the whole world.
Toyota?
Toyota's where it's at, mate. You and me on the track, we're going to chop every fool. You and me and you together. Who owns this car? I want to congratulate you on choosing one of the best brands of car on the planet. I too have brought a Toyota.
Beauty.
Do you know why?
Why?
Because people on the internet were talking shit about Camrys. And I'm here to represent Camry drivers all around the world, and I'm going to shut these fools down, and everyone else here with a Toyota is going to help me. Are you on board?
Yeah.
Good on you, mate. Good bloke. What is that? Oh my good Lord. Today we have been unexpectedly blessed with multiple Toyotas. Not Camrys, but this is known as a Cressida. I believe it is an MX. I think it's an MX-83. Could be an MX-73, I'm not really sure. I was only 50 when they came out. Much like my Camry, a very capable race car. Now, if anyone talks shit about this car on the internet, this owner's going to chop you too. I was made aware when I was surfing the internet on Yahoo search, and then Alta Vista later in the night, that Loti actually have Toyota engines. So they are half as good as a Camry, in my mind. Capable sports cars, not very useful, let's be honest. A Camry can do the track and it can drive to the shops and bingo. A Lotus cannot. Lotus have Toyota engines.
They do.
Well,
Camry engines, to be exact.
they have Camry engines. My goodness. I saw a few people putting shit on Camrys, but they're not putting shit on Lotus, are they?
Best motor Toyota make.
There you go.
The
The 2AZFE is the superior engine, let's be honest.
7AFE, mate.
Okay, all right, well, you have a good race, mate. We'll go over there and you can piss off. What do you call this engine? Whose vehicle is this? Is it yours?
Yeah.
Can you tell me, what is this one? What's a TGDI and is it made by Toyota?
Yeah.
It's a Toyota. It's got good taste. I've never seen a Toyota with an H badge on it. I thought that was Honda. I'm learning things today.
This one though.
We'll have a race, don't worry, you and me. Here we go, look. Do you want to come and see my view? Come and have a look. This is called Automotive Masterpiece. I'll just pop the hood. Hold on a minute.
Turbo under you, please.
No, well, you'll just have to wait and see. So I have modified it a little bit. So it's
That looks like a pod filter you got in there. Son.
that is a pod filter, that's correct. This is known as a turbocharger.
What does that do?
It artificially increases my displacement.
Did you give it a little wipe too?
No. And I don't appreciate that comment. It's very clean, thank you. It's as clean as my underpants are. That's what matters. All right, let's go see some more people. Oh! Now, if there was a close equivalent to the quality of Toyota, it's Honda. I appreciate this because it looks a lot like my engine bay, really, doesn't it? It really looks like it's meant to be there. This is known as a turbocharger. I also have one of these to boost my efficiency. I think this will be a very worthy opponent on the track. That's a nice Volkswagen, mate. That's known as a Golf R. It's essentially a front-wheel drive vehicle that is occasionally all-wheel drive, but not very often. How you going? Up the dada, you give them hell. That's it, man. Good on you, sonny. That Datsun is going to be like warp speed down that straight. I can feel it in my bones. That's enough chit-chat. It's time to get out on the track and show the haters on the World Wide Web what Camrys are actually made of. I've got my helmet, I've got my evidence and data collecting devices, and I'm going to send it. Let's go. All right, people, here's the deal. I've come to a racetrack. It's the place that's the most mature and sensible place to challenge people. Don't do it on the street. Do it on the racetrack. That's why I'm here. I'm the only one in a Camry. It doesn't matter, I'm representing all Camry drivers, all Camry owners. I'm going to show them what's what. Let's go. All right, let's go. Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh, this is fast. Crikey Moses. The mighty Camry is doing extraordinarily well. Let's just put it that way. No problems whatsoever. Driving into the corners, powering out of the corners. This is going swimmingly. Now we just need to line someone up down the straight. I'm coming for you. Oh, Jesus Christ. She's a live one. All right, down the straight we go. K's an hour, 170 K's an hour, 180 K's an hour. Yes, the Camry is extraordinarily fast. I may have gone a little bit too fast and a little bit of shit might have just come out. I don't think the Camry was designed for that. I absolutely just shit myself. So far, so good. Let's see what the Camry's got in it. It's actually doing shockingly well. There's a Volkswagen up my arse. Let's go, Volkswagen. DSG fart box. I'm coming for you, Golf. I'm coming for you. I may not have the handling prowess, but what I lack in handling I have in raw, pure power from my mighty 2AZFE. There's a hybrid up my arse. I will not be defeated by a hybrid. Here we go. Take that, hybrid. Gotcha. Oh, this corner is absolutely frightening in a Camry. Let's go. There's a Civic up my arse. I'm running you, Civic! Oh, he got me. It's all right, he's got a turbo. I like him. This corner at 180 kilometres an hour in a Camry is absolutely frightening. Here we go, around this corner. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, Jesus Christ. My tyres are not having a good time, let's just put it that way. But I am. Something smells like a freight train. Believe it could be my brakes, quite possibly. That's the end of my session, and what can I tell you? The Camry is absolutely phenomenal. No problem, listen to it. No problem whatsoever. Absolutely, spectacularly reliable, chopped everybody, sounded good while doing it. What an absolute masterpiece of engineering. So listen, all you haters on the World Wide Web, Yahoo, MySpace, you've seen the proof. The Camry is absolutely excellent. It can do anything any of these cars can do, these EK Civics and Golf Rs and Nissan Notes. It is capable of anything. So go out there and buy yourself a Camry. Live it up. Get some life experience. It's been nice talking to you. Maybe I'll go for another drive. Chop some more fools. What do you reckon? Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I feel I have proved beyond a shadow of a doubt just how capable Toyota Camrys are. In particular, turbocharged 2AZFE Camrys, just like my gold one right here. I hope you enjoyed watching this little bit of me racing around, and if you're a fan of racing, do I have something in store for you? Christmas Day, around a week away. It's coming at ya. It's coming at ya. You're gonna love it.
Just super awkward.